Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video we are going to see how to add GPS module library in Proteus. For that I have given the download link in the description, so click here and download the library file. When you click the download link, it will direct you to drive file. Here you can see GPS library file, so click here and download. Open the folder. Here you have to extract it. Here you have to extract this file. For that, extract here. Here you can see there are 3 files. We have to copy this lib file and idx file. Then close the Proteus. Go to the file location of Proteus. Then go to Proteus Professional Live. Go to data in library. Here you have to paste what you have copied. And then close. Open the Proteus Professional Live. Select the GPS module in command list. Here you can see this is the GPS module. When you do the project, you can connect this GPS module to whatever board like Arduino, ESP32. Then you can simulate this GPS module. That's all about today's videos, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. That's all about today's videos, guys. That's all about this video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, if you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, if you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. This is the GPS module. To use this GPS module in Proteus, you have to upload the hex file in this GPS module. So double click this one. Here you can see this is the place we want to upload the hex file. So find the hex file. In your download folder, you can see GPS eep.hex file. We have to upload this file to program file in the GPS module. So find the location. You have to paste the location and open the folder. Here you have to double click this one and click OK. Then you can use this GPS module in your Proteus. Then connect this GPS module to the Arduino board or ESP32, whatever board you can connect this, and you can simulate this GPS module in the Proteus. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.